Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create clickable audio in a Canva presentation, an incredibly useful skill that can enhance your presentations by engaging your audience even more with interactive audio components. This is especially helpful if you create tutorials, educational content, digital products, or interactive classroom materials. Let's get started and walk through this process step by step so you can follow along easily in your own Canva app. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Canva website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to your dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to log into your Canva account to access your saved work or start a new project. If you're new to Canva, you can also explore their free templates, which can make your design process even faster. Next, begin by creating a new presentation. All you have to do is click on the Create a Design option, and then select Presentation to open up a blank canvas where you'll be designing your slides. Choosing the correct dimensions at this stage ensures better quality when exporting your final video. Once your presentation is open, we're going to jump right into inserting elements. Click on the Elements tab in the side panel. This is where Canva really shines, offering a variety of options such as photos, graphics, and audio to enrich your presentation. Canva also categorizes audio by genre and mood, which makes it easier to match the style of your presentation. Here, to add some audio, scroll through and find a suitable track that fits the tone of your presentation. For this tutorial, let's select light piano music, which can be a nice, subtle background for most presentations. Simply click on it, and it will be added to your slide. If you're using Canva Pro, you'll have access to even more premium audio selections, which can significantly improve your content quality. Now that your audio is integrated, we want to ensure it's interactive and that viewers can click on elements to play the sound. Click on the Share button at the top right, which is crucial to make your project accessible to others or to export it in different formats. Keep in mind that some interactive features in Canva may work differently depending on the export type. Once the Share options appear, choose Download, and it should show set at this purpose. You'll want to select High Quality Video, as this retains the clickable audio feature. With those steps done, go ahead and click on Download, and Canva will prepare and download a video file of your presentation. Downloading in high quality also helps maintain clear visuals if you plan on uploading your content to YouTube or using it during a live presentation. Once that's completed, ensuring the audio is uploaded to your Canva library might be handy for future projects. Click on the Uploads tab, select Upload Files, and then upload any audio file you want to keep handy in Canva. Organizing your audio files into folders can save time if you create content regularly. And there you have it, your video's now ready with the clickable audio section. This whole process makes presenting more dynamic and engaging, grabbing the attention of your audience with minimal effort. Remember, the key is patience and creativity in selecting the right audio track and design to suit your presentation's theme. You can experiment with different icons or buttons for your clickable audio to make your slides even more interactive. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch how your presentations can become more interactive and informative. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you craft your next amazing project on Canva. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Canva and design tutorials for even more tips.